Welcome to the channel. Today's video is about healthy eating. We'll uncover 5 secrets about healthy foods. Your doctor might not tell you these, but they're important for your well-being. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Secret number 1. Forget diet fads. There's no magic bullet. Healthy eating is about balance. It's about enjoying a variety of foods. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods. Think fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. These nourish your body best. Secret number 2. Don't fear healthy fats. Your body needs them. They help you absorb vitamins. They support brain function. Choose good fats. These include avocados, nuts, and olive oil. These fats are beneficial for your health. Secret number 3. Hydration is key. Water is essential for life. It helps with digestion and energy levels. It also keeps your skin looking great. Aim for 8 glasses a day. Carry a water bottle with you. This makes staying hydrated easier. Secret number 4. Listen to your body. Pay attention to your hunger cues. Eat when you're truly hungry. Stop when you're satisfied. Don't overeat. This can lead to weight gain and other problems. Secret number 5. Preparation is everything. Plan your meals ahead of time. This helps you make healthy choices. Pack your lunch for work or school. Prepare healthy snacks. This prevents unhealthy impulse buys. Let's recap these 5 secrets. Number 1. Ditch the fad diets. Eat a balanced diet. Focus on whole foods. Number 2. Don't be afraid of healthy fats. They are good for you. Number 3. Drink plenty of water. Stay hydrated throughout the day. Number 4. Listen to your body's hunger cues. Don't overeat. And finally, number 5. Preparation is key. Plan your meals and snacks. Making small changes can make a big difference. Start by incorporating one of these secrets. Then gradually add more. Over time, these changes will become habits. Healthy eating will become second nature. Remember, your health is an investment. It's not an expense. Taking care of your body is important. It allows you to live a full and active life. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Share this video with your friends and family. Let's spread the word about healthy eating. And remember to check back for more videos. We'll be sharing more health tips soon. Until next time, stay healthy and happy. Take care of yourself. You deserve it.